Mastering peer review and feedback in group study. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we are diving into a crucial part of group study, particularly under the banner of collaborative learning techniques. We're going to talk about peer review and feedback. This is something that not only helps you improve but can also make the entire group more effective. Let's get started. Peer review is the process where you and your study partners evaluate each other's work. It could be an essay, a presentation, or even spoken English, depending on what you're focusing on. So, why is this important? 1. Fresh perspective. Sometimes you can't see your own mistakes. A fresh pair of eyes can point out areas for improvement. 2. Interactive learning. Peer review isn't just about giving feedback. It's about receiving it too. This exchange makes learning more interactive. 3. Accountability. Knowing that someone will review your work can motivate you to put in your best effort. Giving and receiving feedback is a delicate process. Here are some guidelines. Dose. 1. Be constructive. Point out both strengths and weaknesses. 2. Be specific. Rather than saying, "This is good," explain why it is good. 3. Be honest but tactful. Honesty helps, but don't forget to be tactful and considerate. Don'ts. 1. Don't be overly critical. This can demotivate rather than help. 2. Don't be vague. Saying, "This doesn't work," without any rationale doesn't help. 3. Don't make it personal. Keep the focus on the work, not the individual. Receiving feedback is just as important as giving it. Here's how to get the most out of the feedback you receive. 1. Be open. Don't get defensive. Understand that the feedback is aimed at helping you improve. 2. Ask questions. If you don't understand a point, ask for clarification. 3. Apply the feedback. Actually make the suggested changes and see how they impact your work. Here's a simple exercise to practice peer review. 1. Divide into pairs. Each person takes turns being the reviewer and the one being reviewed. 2. Allocate time. Set aside 10 minutes for each review. 3. Discuss. After reading or listening to your partner's work, discuss your feedback following the do's and don'ts we've covered. 4. Revise and swap. Take another 10 minutes to revise your work based on the feedback, then swap roles. And that wraps up our video on peer review and feedback in group study sessions. Remember, the objective is mutual growth and learning. Effective peer review can propel you and your study group to new academic heights. We hope you found this video useful. Until next time, keep learning.